Hello and welcome to the Boobadoo Fitting Portal.
We've pulled together all our most helpful videos and resources to help you on your sports bra fitting journey, whether you're joining us for an in-person event, virtual fitting, or shopping online. This first video will walk you through how to use the portal, explain our different services, and how to take simple measurements to find your bra size. We're here to help you find a sports bra that feels right for your body. Whether you're doing PE, taking part in extracurricular sport, or just being active during the school day. You might be watching this with a parent, carer, or another adult you trust, and that's great. But this video is really about helping you feel confident, comfortable, and supported in your kit. You can pause this video at any point and go through the steps at your own pace. And if you'd like extra support, you're always welcome to book a free virtual fitting with one of our expert fitters, take part in an in-school fitting event at school if it's available, or you can use all the helpful resources and guides on the fitting portal 24/7. Everything you need to feel confident and supported in your sports bra is right here. Let's get started.
Step 1. Logging into the portal. Once your parent or carer has created an account and logged onto the Boobadoo School Fitting Portal, you'll be able to watch this video, explore top sports bras for your sport and first-time wearers, use the fitting tools, place an order for home or school delivery.
Step 2. Finding the right style for you. Everyone is different, and that's a good thing. We offer a range of styles to suit different shapes, preferences, activities, and sizes. Some are great for first-time wear, all-day wear, and others offer more support for high-impact sport. We'll show you some of our most popular styles shortly, including what they look like and what they're good for. Step 3. Choosing the right size. Finding the right size is one of the most important steps. There are a few different ways to do this, and you can choose the one that works best for you. Book a virtual fitting. You can book a free 20-minute virtual appointment with one of our expert fitters. The fitter will speak with both you and your parent or carer. Your camera can stay off. You don't need to be in your bra on screen at any point. You can wear your best fitting everyday bra with a t-shirt over the top. We'll guide you through sizing, style selection, and any fitting advice you need. Measure using the under-over method. You can use a soft tape measure at home to get your bra size. This is where a trusted adult like your parent or carer can help you. You'll take 2 measurements. The first measurement is your underbust. Wrap the tape snugly around your ribcage just under your bust. Overbust, wrap the tape measure around the fullest part of your chest and make sure the tape measure sits firm and flat all the way around. Once you have these 2 numbers, enter them into our Express Bra Size Calculator on the portal, and it will give you a suggested starting size to try. Don't worry, all our sizing tools are private, quick, and easy to use. Plus, we offer free returns. So if it's not quite right, we'll help you exchange it for the correct size.
Step 4. Placing your order. Once you've found your style and size, add your chosen sports bras to the cart, complete the checkout while logged on to the school portal, choose delivery to home or school, pay securely online, or add to your school bill if your school allows. If you need any help, email our team at info@boobadoo.co.uk.